Hello everyone, I am Shravani Khirkade. I am living at Nasik and completed engineering recently this year from College of Engineering, Pune. I hope all you are safe and please take care. I completed my 4 days national workshop on skill building, creating and empowering leaders of tomorrow. I knew this information regarding workshop from Vijay, so first thanks for him. This session was very useful for me and will become very useful in my future life also. There were various topics like creating job profile and career opportunities, then mastering your interview skills, building a digital profile, effective time management. All topics were very useful and important for me, and I enjoyed this session very much. The most important topic for me is that creating job profile and career opportunities, because in today's condition it is very important to know what are the opportunities available in government sector and private sector. There are very less opportunities in the government sector, so what we should have to do after completing our educations. So this is very useful to know all this regarding our job profile and career opportunities. Second related topic is that mastering your interview skills. Because what are the skills required at the time of interview? How we become capable to give interview? There are many critical situations we had to face at the time of interview. I am final year student, so I got selected in my first attempt of campus interview, but there were many of them at the time of interview. They gave nearly 6 to 7 interview but didn't get selected. So what are the factors required at the time of interview? They should need at the time of interview. If we give, we provide such session for such students, so they will become confident and they will become capable to give interview, campus interview. So according to my suggestion, my message to SkillSlate session that is that to provide workshop for such final year students and the third year students of engineering, not only in engineering field but in other field also, so they will become aware before going to interview. Thank you very much for this important and useful session. Thank you so much.